Back everyone, you may be having an issue with your AirPods where for some reason one AirPod is quieter than the other one. Now this happens every once in a while and it's totally okay. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is to make sure both of your AirPods are charged up. Now there can be some times where you're using one AirPod constantly and then for some reason this one just kind of dies a little bit earlier than this one, and sometimes when the battery dies the audio gets a little bit lower. For some reason I don't know why that happens. So what I would recommend doing is putting both your AirPods back in their case like this, and even checking the battery life of your specific AirPods. So you can do that by going straight to your iPhone like this and looking at your battery life. And if your battery life is pretty well, as you can see my AirPods case is about to die, but the batteries are both charged, well then that probably may not be the issue. But typically that's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Another big thing you can do is take your AirPods out just like this and actually see if there's a lot of dust, debris, earwax, whatever it is, stuck in between the crevices of your specific AirPods. The audio comes out here, but there's also some audio that comes out some other places too. So what you can do is just make sure that there's not a lot of, dust and stuff stuck in between here. And again, that is another big thing you can do to pretty much clean out your AirPods. It's definitely not the only thing you can do, but in my opinion, that's pretty much the fastest way to clean up your AirPods that way. Now, let's say none of that stuff works either. What you can do is go ahead and reset your AirPods and reconnect them. So what you want to do is you want to grab your AirPods like this, and there's a little reset button on the back of your AirPods right here. So all you have to do is go ahead and hold down this button right here until your AirPod starts blinking white. So what you can do is you can see it's blinking white, and all you want to do now is grab your other device that you're trying to pair with. You'll see this little pairing thing come at the bottom. Go and click connect. There's a couple things you have to kind of go through, and then sooner than later, they'll go ahead and actually be connected just like so. And all you have to do now is see if it's working. A majority of the time, this may end up working for you. If it's still not working, I would probably recommend seeing if your AirPods are actually damaged. Sometimes you may see that your AirPods may be fully working one day, then maybe you accidentally drop them, or you put them in your book bag and somehow something happened and now they're not working properly. In that standpoint, I'd probably recommend contacting Apple and having them take a look at your AirPods because they may be able to fix it for you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.